If you have ever been refused a Canada study visa or any visa to Canada, before you make your next application, it's advisable you order for the Gcms notes. So I will show you how to get your Gcms notes. Let's go over to my computer as I show you. Today, we shall be learning how to apply for your Gcms notes using the Access to Information and Privacy Act, Canada. So, the very first step would be to go to Google, search for ATIP. ATIP. It will show you Access to Information and Privacy online requests. You click it. You scroll down, of course you read it, then you go to submit a request for information with IRCC. The next step, you read the privacy notice. You click I have read and understood the above privacy notice. You click continue. Then you acknowledge that you've read and understood the steps. You click continue. The next step is you click application/personal information. So now, this place you'll be required to put in your personal details. In the very first place, ensure you click foreign national outside of Canada. If you are in Canada and you're a foreign national without maybe on a study visa and any of your application was refused for whatever reason, you can choose foreign national present in Canada. So you go ahead and fill in all your personal details. You put in your email address. You put in your surname, your given names, your address. You can use the information the way it is on your application form or on your international passport. Then you put your email address. Then, are you requesting this information on your own behalf? You click yes. So select the category that best describe you. Member of the public. Then you click continue. Ensure that your email that you are using, it matches the one you use in the application process. And when you write your email here, make sure you enter it correctly. That is, you enter it the way it is in the tab. The two of them, they must match. You click continue. Okay, so now it's going to ask you under which act are you making this request. So you are going to select under the Privacy Act. Then in which language do you wish to receive the records? English. Then next thing, you click continue. So it will ask, what kind of records do you want? Immigration and citizen application records. What program would you like to request from? Select. If it was a student visa, you select temporary resident student visa. If it was a visitor visa, you select. If it was a work permit, you select. So for this case, student visa. Then you enter your file number. Then you enter your name and your date of birth and your UCI. Now, the file number, you can see it on your biometric information letter. You can see it on your application dashboard. You can also see it on the refusal letter that they gave to you. So with that, you can get the file number. Okay, for students, most times it begins with X. So you write the file number. Now before you write that, remember it's asking what are you looking for. You put the reason of refusal, including officer's note. Then the file number, you type your file number. Now remember these details are dummy details. So after you feed all your details the way you've seen it on your biometric instruction letter or on the refusal letter, you fill your UCI. Remember, after the first UCI, just fill your UCI and don't forget to put the dash. You can either put it in a what they call it after 4 characters, 4 numbers, you put a dash and put the last 4 numbers, or if your UCI is 10 digits, you put it after first 2 you put a dash, then you next 4 you put a dash, then the last 4 digits. Then once you do that, you click submit. Okay, it's gonna show you a grain it's gonna show you like a summary of what you are applying for, reason for refusal, including officer's notes for temporary resident, student visa, consigning your name, whatever you put as your name, and your surname, your UCI with your date of birth. Then you click continue. So now it's going to ask you to attach documents. The documents they want you to attach is just the consent form, which you can click the consent form you open the consent form in another tab. Now for the consent form, once the page is open, you download the consent form. Before you download, make sure you fill it online, then you now print. You are not using any representative, so you are not going to fill anything on number 1. Number 2, you are using you are the one that is applying for yourself, so you write your details here, your name, that's your last name. If your last name is John, you write John there. If your given name is, let's say, James Mary, you write it there, James Mary. You write your date of birth, let's say 2000 0515. You can find out that every other information does not concern you, because except you are giving other people consent. If you want other people to have consent to your information, you can feed their details here, but for now just this is okay. Then you write the dates, you write the day's date, let's say 2024 August 6th, August 5th. Then you download the form, you print, you sign. After you have signed the form, you come back to this point, you click continue. You choose the form that you just done, IMM 744E. You click upload, upload. You click continue. Now remember, you must, when you are signing your consent form, it must be on blue pen, blue ink, on blue ink. Use blue biro to sign. Once you've updated the form, uploaded the form, you click I certify that this information provided is true and wish to submit the request. Then you click continue. And that is it. Within a certain number of days, sometimes 4 weeks to 6 weeks, they will reply you and they will send you the GCMS note directly to your email. Fast, easy, you don't need to pay any agency to do it, and you are doing it officially with the Canada Immigration. All right, thank you very much.